In the world of carrier-based aviation, one aircraft stands as a true icon of versatility and power: the F/A-18 Super Hornet. This isn't just another fighter jet, it's the backbone of the U.S. Navy's carrier air wings, a flying testament to engineering brilliance and strategic foresight. Today, we dive in deep into what makes the Super Hornet the undisputed master of power projection from the sea. So, what exactly is power projection? Imagine a floating sovereign territory, an aircraft carrier capable of sailing anywhere in the world. Power projection is its ability to exert military influence far from home, and the Super Hornet is its primary tool. It's the long arm of the carrier strike group, able to reach out and touch targets, defend the fleet, and control the skies hundreds of miles away. The story of the Super Hornet begins with its predecessor, the classic F/A-18 Hornet. While a fantastic aircraft, the Navy needed something more range, more payload, and more growth potential for future technologies. The answer wasn't a brand new design, but a radical in the 1990s, McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, took the Hornet airframe and supersized it. The result was the F/A-1AE and F-model Super Hornet. It's about 20% larger, carries 33% more internal fuel, and can fly missions 40% farther than the original. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a completely different beast, sharing very little in common with its older sibling despite the similar appearance. Let's talk about what the FA in F/A-18 really means. It stands for Fighter Attack. This dual-role capability is the core of the Super Hornet's design philosophy. In one mission, it can be a dogfighter, armed with AIM-9X Sidewinder and AIM-120 EMRA missiles dominating the air-to-air arena. On the very next sortie, it can be reconfigured as a potent strike aircraft, carrying a massive arsenal of precision-guided bombs and missiles to take out ground or sea targets. This multirole flexibility is a force multiplier. Instead of needing separate fleets of specialized aircraft, the Super Hornet does it all. This simplifies logistics, training, and maintenance, a critical advantage on the limited space of an aircraft carrier. A key feature that makes the Super Hornet so effective is its payload capacity. It boasts an impressive 11 hardpoints, those pylons under the wings and fuselage, where weapons and equipment are mounted. This allows it to carry a staggering variety of ordnance. We're talking everything from JDAMs, the GPS-guided bombs, to Pavway laser-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles like the Harpoon and the Har missile for taking out enemy radar installations. This truck-like ability to haul a heavy and diverse load means a single Super Hornet can address multiple types of threats on a single mission, making it incredibly efficient. But it's not just about the weapons it carries, it's about how it finds and engages its targets. The Super Hornet is equipped with the state-of-the-art APG-79 AESA radar. AESA stands for Active Electronically Scanned Array. Unlike older mechanically steered radars, the AESA radar can scan, track, and engage multiple targets simultaneously in the air and on the ground. It's faster, stealthier, and far more resistant to jamming. This advanced sensor suite gives the pilot unparalleled situational awareness, turning the jet into a powerful information node in the sky. One of the Super Hornet's most unique roles is serving as an airborne tanker. By equipping a few jets with buddy-buddy refueling pods, the Super Hornet fleet can extend its own range and loiter time. This organic tanking capability means the carrier air wing isn't solely reliant on dedicated, lumbering tanker aircraft. A Super Hornet can launch, provide fuel to other striking aircraft, and then continue on its own mission, either as a fighter, escort, or a strike platform itself. This adaptability is crucial for maintaining a high operational tempo during complex, long-range missions. The two-seat F/A-18F model adds another layer of capability. With a Weapons Systems Officer, or WSO, in the backseat, the workload is divided. The pilot can focus on flying the aircraft, while the WSO manages the complex sensors, communications, and weapon systems. This is particularly valuable in high-threat environments and during complex strike missions, where managing multiple information streams is critical for survival and success. The F model is also often used in a forward air control role, coordinating attacks and directing other aircraft onto their targets. Let's not forget the environment it operates in: the flight deck of an aircraft carrier, one of the most demanding and dangerous workplaces on Earth. The Super Hornet was built for this. It has a strengthened airframe and robust landing gear to withstand the brutal, controlled crashes that are carrier landings. Its powerful General Electric F414 engines provide the thrust needed for a catapult launch, rocketing the jet from 0 to over 160 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. Its handling characteristics at low speeds are superb, a critical trait for the precise flying required to catch one of 4 arresting wires on a pitching deck. Furthermore, the Super Hornet's design incorporates a degree of stealth. While it's not a true stealth aircraft like the F-22 or F-35, its airframe features shaping and materials that reduce its radar cross-section, especially from the front. This makes it harder for enemy radars to detect and track, giving it a valuable edge in survivability when penetrating contested airspace. As technology evolves, so does the Super Hornet. The latest iteration, the Block 3, is a significant leap forward. It features a new advanced cockpit system with a large area display, enhanced network connectivity, allowing it to share massive amounts of data with other assets, and conformal fuel tanks. These tanks fit snugly against the airframe, increasing fuel capacity and range without taking up a valuable weapons pylon, further boosting its payload flexibility. The Block 3 also has a service life of 10,000 flight hours, ensuring it will remain a relevant and capable platform for decades to come. In an era where fifth-generation fighters like the F-35C are joining the fleet, what is the Super Hornet's future? It's not being replaced, it's being complemented. The F-35 brings unparalleled stealth and sensor fusion, while the Super Hornet brings its massive payload and reliability. They are designed to work together. From its origins as an evolution of the Hornet to its current role as a networked, multirole workhorse, the F-A-80 Super Hornet is the embodiment of carrier-based power projection. It's a fighter, an attacker, a tanker, and a sensor node all rolled into one robust and reliable package. It's the platform that allows a carrier strike group to be a decisive force for stability and security across the globe. The roar of its engines from a carrier deck is the sound of presence, power, and reach. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most capable naval aircraft, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.